Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Daspara's Bio Village 2.0 initiative. Daspara, a village in Tripura, has transformed into India's first self-sustaining bio village through the Bio Village 2.0 initiative. The project promotes renewable energy, eco-friendly farming and sustainable practices leading to better agricultural productivity and cleaner energy consumption. The village, with 64 families, has become a model for rural sustainability and economic empowerment. Daspara is produced by solar panels, biogas and energy-efficient systems, improving both the environment and the livelihood of its residents. The initiative, started in 2018, has expanded from organic farming to include solar-powered equipment, livestock improvements and more. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now shifted to Noida. Drishti IAS is in Noida now. IAS GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course first offline batch in English medium, the admissions are open. The address is C171/2 Block A Sector 15 Noida near Metro Station Noida Sector 15. For any query, give us a call at 87501. Impact on agriculture and energy. The BioVillage 2.0 project introduced solar-powered tools, biogas systems and organic fertilizers to reduce the reliance on chemical fertilizers and fossil fuels. These changes have improved soil health, increased crop yields and contributed to a sustainable lifestyle. Solar panels and biogas systems provide renewable energy, cutting down the carbon footprint and offering clean cooking alternatives. Solar-powered pumps assist in irrigation, enhancing agricultural productivity while reducing energy costs. The overall goal is to create an energy-efficient and eco-friendly agricultural ecosystem for the village. Economic growth and livelihood improvement. The Bio Village initiative has improved food security and created new livelihoods for Daspara's residents. The adoption of sustainable farming practices has led to increased productivity, boosting household incomes by Rs 5,000 to Rs 15,000 per month. Local farmers and artisans have diversified their income through activities like mushroom cultivation, beekeeping and biocomposting. The project has reduced dependency on traditional farming methods, allowing families to generate additional income. Recognition by international organizations like the Climate Group has placed Daspara on the global map as a model for sustainable development. Now it's time for the practice question. Which state in India launched the Bio Village 2.0 initiative? West Bengal, Tripura, Odisha or Kerala? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.